Welcome to Scalper Hub. If you're interested in trading but don't really know where to start, you're in the right place. On this channel, we'll break down trading concepts, strategies, risk management, and how the markets actually work in a simple and understandable way. But before we get into all of that, we need to start with the basics. What exactly is trading? Let's find out. Hey everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something you've probably seen everywhere on YouTube, TikTok, or social media, and that is trading. You might have heard people saying things like, I made $500 today, or this strategy makes insane profits. But what exactly is trading? Is it really that easy? Well, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. At its core, trading is simply buying and selling something with the goal of making a profit. Let's say you have $10, and you believe gold is going to increase in price. So, you buy it for $10. Later, the price increases to $12, and you sell it. Congratulations, you've made $2. Of course, real trading can be much more complicated than this, but that's the basic idea. And here's something interesting. Traders can potentially make money when prices go down too. For example, if you believe an asset is going to fall, you can use something called short selling. You sell first, then buy it back later at a lower price. So basically, traders are trying to profit from price movements. But here's where things get serious. Trading is not free money. Just because you think something is going up doesn't mean it actually will. You might buy something at $10, expecting it to reach $15, but instead, the price drops to $7. Now you're losing money. And this is the part that many beginner trading videos don't show you. You'll usually see the winning trades, the expensive cars, and screenshots of profits. But you don't always see the losses. That's why risk management is extremely important. And that's exactly why I'm starting something new. I'm going to create a free trading course where I'll teach what I've learned step by step. We're going to start with the basics and slowly move into more advanced topics. No get-rich-quick promises, no secret formula, and definitely no pretending that trading is easy. I'll simply share what I know and help you understand how trading actually works. So if you're interested, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The course will start around 3 to 4 days after this video is posted. And remember, learn first, risk later. See you in the course.